This summer, the CDC says they're expecting a rise of an infectious disease known as Mpox. NBC5's Tyler Bronski joins us now from the newsroom with what the symptoms look like and how one local organization is making the vaccine for it easier to get. Tyler.
Yeah, Brian, well, medical experts say our region has done a good job with keeping case numbers at a minimum. However, they say there's more steps people can take to lower their chances of getting it.
When skin hits skin, an infectious disease known as Mpox becomes a greater possibility.
Mpox is a virus that is transmitted through direct contact. So usually individuals are experiencing a rash or a sore. It's the rash or sore that becomes infectious.
Many cases have been connected to those in the LGBTQ+ community, with men that have sex with other men most at risk. However, medical experts say anyone could get it. It's a message Richard Elliott from the Pride Center of Vermont wants to make clear.
News broke last year about Mpox, where there was a hotspot of an outbreak out in some of the European countries during Pride of last year. So obviously when people see like where it started, people will start thinking of these individuals must be the ones who carry this virus, carry this disease.
The CDC says they expect a summer spread. Daniel Daltrey from the Vermont Department of Health doesn't know if we're ready for that as a nation.
We don't have vaccine worldwide where it needs to be at this point. So there remains a vulnerability for infection.
Vermont reported 3 cases last year, tied for the lowest number of cases out of any state. The Pride Center of Vermont in Burlington is working with regional clinics again this summer to create pop-up tents to make the vaccine more accessible.
Individuals within the state would have been going to either Montreal or to Albany and New York State to get vaccines. But we were taking that as obviously as a sign that we need to hurry up and get the vaccines out.
Experts say getting the vaccine is the best way to protect yourself.
If you are vaccinated for Mpox, the odds of contracting it go radically down, especially if you've received the 2-dose series.
Keep up to date on when the Pride Center of Vermont will host those pop-up tents this summer. We have a link to stay informed on our website, mynbc5.com. Live in the newsroom tonight, Tyler Bronski, NBC5 News.